How's it going, viewers? Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got with me an unboxing of a Tesla Model Y cargo cover. So this cover does not come stock and included in your brand new car. You're gonna have to order it directly from Tesla, and I have not seen an aftermarket cover like this. So unfortunately, Tesla is the way to go. So if you're looking to protect your valuables inside the trunk of your Tesla Model Y, definitely invest in one of these. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to check out. Definitely hit that link straight down here. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this part real quick. Set it down on the side. Check this out. Ooh, lots of bubble protection for sure. All right, so here is the part right here. Let's go ahead and unwrap all this plastic. And by the way, this will work for your Model Y only if it's a 5-seater. The 7-seater does not have the side rails to hold this, so it's not compatible with the 7-seater, unfortunately. So your Tesla trunk, the side needs to have the rails just like this picture right here, and not like this picture right here. So it's got to look like this with the side rails for this cargo cover to rest on. All right, so this is what it looks like right here. It's got 1, 2, 3 folds. So I'm guessing when it's in the car, you can basically do something like this and make it very compact if you need to set it down. And again, it unfolds flat just like that. Nice matte black surface. On the bottom here, you just kind of have this kind of carpeted material. Looks like it does have some hooks, some rubberized hooks on the very end to lock it in place. And let's see here. So this is called Model Y SP Parcel Shelf Assembly. So the part number on here is 164129300H. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this into the Model Y. Let's go ahead and head into the garage. 3, 2, 1, peace. All right, so here we are at the Tesla Model Y. Let's go ahead and pop open the trunk. All right, so right here, you're gonna see this has this ledge right here. There's one on each side. You're definitely gonna want to have those. Again, this is a 5-seater, so it does have them intact. The 7-seater, this is just completely smooth top to bottom, and there's no way to set the parcel shelf on anything. This is what you want, these rails right here. All right, and this video is gonna be how to set your brand new parcel shelf onto your Tesla Model Y. So again, with each of these, you're going to have a prong on the left and the right side near the front edge, and that's going to line right here with a little indent on the rails. Again, front edge on the left and right sides. So go ahead and start back here at the very back, and all you gotta do is just slide it on in. Slide it on in, and then when you get close to those indents, check this out. Just push it forward, and it's going to sink right in, just like that. There's your parcel shelf, nice and protected. It is locked in. I can't even move it forward or back. It's locked in, protecting all your goodies back here. You can fold it in half and then still get a lot of usable area back here. You can even use this as a shelf. It's pretty solid, so you can still put some light objects up here, some boxes or some bags. And then that allows you just to have kind of 2 tiers in your trunk here. And of course, you can also just completely remove this, pull it out of the way, and just set it down here on the trunk. And then you'll still have full access to the trunk, top to bottom. And then again, once you're ready, you can just slide this right back in, just like that. And then you can unfold it. You got 3 options there, or you can just do the whole thing and it locks itself in place. And this is what the parcel shelf looks like fully installed. As you can see, it's very solid. You can get a little bit of fold up and down here at the very front edge. It just kind of sits like this. And of course, as you close your trunk lid, this will not interfere with it at all. Still pretty sturdy to set maybe some light objects here, maybe even a blanket, backpack, stuff like that, right on top without any worries of it folding and sagging. Again, you've got 3 fold options. This is what it looks like when you pull back. Magnetized. Pretty cool. And you can fold it just like that. This can slide forward pretty easily, giving you a little bit more room. You can pull back and fold it again, slide it forward again, and get you even more room as well. Highly versatile. Really love it. By the way, if you're looking for some all-weather floor mats, check out the link in the description below. Also check out this video right here where I installed everything. It's even got the inner kind of trunk space cover as well, along with the front trunk or the frunk. And of course, all floor mats on the inside of the vehicle as well. Really fitted design, really fitted kit. And as you can see here, you've got the little tooth right here, and then the little notch right there. And this just kind of falls in, and it's magnetized, locks right in. Really cool. All right, and then of course, once you're done, just go ahead and close up your trunk. And you're all good. All right, you guys, so that was the Parcel shelf cover for the Tesla Model Y. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Again, check out my link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Like and comment with your feedback. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.